chicken bites. I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful... of Sincerely Lagenia. If you are new to my channel, welcome. To those of you who have visited my channel before or who are my regular subscribers, hello, welcome back. I'm so glad you guys are here, all of you. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscription button below. I would love to have you become a part of the Sincerely Lagenia family. All right, guys, hey, I am here with a product review, and I am going to be reviewing today the Unbun Buns, okay? These buns are keto, gluten-free, paleo, and grain-free. All right, I first heard about these from my sister friend over at Seattle Sapphire. She had some of these. She had tried them out, and I said, I have got to try those. And so I got me some. Thankfully, they were actually selling these at my at a store that I go to, Drug Emporium out here. They had them in the freezer section, and so I picked me a bag up, and I'm so excited to try these. I have me over here on the stove. I've got me one of my newest recipes. It's a keto cabbage and meatball Mediterranean style soup, and that's gonna be a whole nother video that you guys will see in a few days. But I want a delicious, crusty bread to go with this soup. It's gonna be ready in just a little bit. So I'm hoping that the Unbun bun will satisfy and give me that kind of crunch on the outside and chewiness on the inside that I want, in addition to a great flavor. So let's go ahead and get into this product review. First off, I was very impressed by the ingredients. I know everything that's in here. I've actually used just about everything that's in here. Let me tell you what's in the ingredients, okay? We've got water, almond flour, egg white, flax, coconut flour, psyllium husk, whole eggs, apple cider vinegar, cream of tartar, salt, sodium bicarbonate, and the allergen info. It also contains tree nuts and eggs, okay? So, and that's it. That's the ingredients in here. I mean, we know what all that stuff is, right, guys? And so that's very impressive. Now, if this tastes good, then I am truly, truly impressed. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna take one of these out and show you guys what it looks like. Let me wash my hands and we'll get right into it. All right, guys, let me show you guys the packaging again. Unbun bread. See it there? All right, so I got one bun out. Let me show you what it looks like. Looks like a whole wheat bun. It smells like a whole wheat bun. And I'm gonna cut it open, let you guys see the inside of it. All right, so here is the inside of the Unbun. All right, it's nice. It's really soft and fluffy. So what I'm gonna do is toast these. I've cut it in half. I'm gonna toast them and see if I can get it to crisp up on the outside, and hopefully it'll be soft on the inside. So we'll see how well this toasts. All right, so our buns are toasting up nicely. I'm going to now add some butter to both of these and let them finish in the toaster. All right, so our Unbun buns have been toasted. Let me let you guys see the toasted bun. Look at that. All right, so I am going to just simply break the bread. Break bread with me. All right, look at that. So let's look at the texture. It looks really, really good. It looks great. Let's just hope it tastes as good as it looks. Here we go. Okay. This is not bad. This tastes very, very similar to a bread that I made last year sometime, a homemade bread. I mean, it really tastes a lot like it. And I even thought that after I was reading the ingredients on there. It's really good. It is crusty on the outside, soft and chewy in the middle. So I like that. So overall, the taste is really, really good. Again, it tastes a lot like a homemade bread that I made. I'm gonna put the link to that video right here so you guys can check it out for yourself. I also put in the description box a link where you can get you some of this unbun bread. It is really tasty. It will definitely hit the spot. For me, I've got to have butter on it. I've got to have something on it. This is a perfect bun to have with a meal, to accompany something. Like I wouldn't want it for breakfast in the morning, but for like what I'm gonna eat today, my soup, this will be perfect with my soup. So on a scale of 1 to 10, is this good? Is it delicious? I would give this an 8. The texture of it, I would also give an 8. Would I buy it again? Yes, I will definitely be buying Unbun Buns again. Very, very good. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. The Unbun Buns are definitely delicious and are definitely a must try. Again, if you want something similar to it, you can check out the video that I did previously. I put the link in the description. Try it as well if you want some of the same type of bread homemade. It's really, really delicious and they taste the same. Thanks for joining me, guys, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Until then, I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. Talk to you in the next video. Sincerely, Virginia. Bye. Before I go, I also want to remind you that I will be going live this coming Thursday, January the 14th at 7:30. I'm going to be cooking live and I would love for you guys to join me. So if you're not doing anything this Thursday at 7:30 Central Standard Time, then I would love for you guys to join me. I'm going to be cooking in the kitchen and yeah, I'm going to need some company. So don't forget to join me, guys.